had a great day. Obviously it's special to have the first win of the ŠKODA FABIA RS Rally2 car. It was very tricky conditions today, very slippery conditions, a lot of mud, and we managed well. We drove in a clever way and we sealed the win, which was very important. Car was amazing. When you do a rally, it's always different to doing testing. So we did some changes during the day and the car just got better and better, so I felt really comfortable in the end.
The first rally for our new FABIA RS Rally2 is over and we can be satisfied. We won is the early result for the whole team of ŠKODA Motorsport. That's why thank you all our team members and all the people who are supporting us.
It's a clear win, like on the start, and then I'm happy about it, and then hope we will build a future like this.